Hey, and welcome back to our series about getting your Swedish residence permit. In this video, we'll dive deeper into navigating the actual application. Let's break it down and set you on the path to success. In this video, we will talk about key requirements, how to apply online, after you applied, common hiccups. Before diving into the application, let's tick off the prerequisites. You've got your admission letter, right? Can you show financial support? Did you pay your first installment of the tuition fee? And lastly, how about health insurance? If you're staying for less than 1 year, then you need full coverage. The application itself is done online and it's very smooth and straightforward. We will leave the links to everything down below. You'll need to fill in details, upload some documents, and yes, pay the application fee. The fee is 1,500 SEK, and for those bringing your family, you will apply together. After hitting submit, the waiting game begins. Use this time wisely and track your application status. And be aware if the Swedish Migration Agency tries to reach out to you so you can provide them more information. And remember, the Swedish Migration Agency will need to review your passport if it's your first time with said passport. They will reach out to you with information about how to book an appointment so you can get your passports reviewed. Common hiccups, well, incomplete applications, missing documents, all of these things will slow down the process, so please avoid delays by double checking your applications before you hit submit. Ensure that all your documents are clear, readable, and in the right format, and that your passport is up to date. You cannot get a residence permit for more than the validity of your passport. An incomplete application sent earlier will take longer to process than an complete application that's sent in later. So please double check and make sure you only send in a complete application. Once approved, you will get a notification and information regarding your permit and how to pick up your permit card. And remember, it's not just any card, it's your key to a new chapter here in Sweden. And there you have it. Hopefully this information was helpful to you. Just approach your application step by step, and before you know it, you will step into your Swedish adventure. Up next, we're covering what to do if you wish to stay in Sweden after your studies. Until then, hej då!